Trailer dealers, we're talking to you. Of course, we're gonna be talking about the trailer extended warranty or extended service contract protection plans. We're gonna talk about what they are, why you'd wanna offer them, and what's in it for you. So we all know that there's a lot of trailer manufacturers out there, and a lot of them have very short, very limited warranties that come with them. The problem is that they're difficult to use, they don't cover a lot, and a lot of the times they leave the customer with the bill. And what's that do to the customer? It leaves the customer in a situation where they have to make a decision between, do I pay to get my trailer fixed, or do I make my trailer payment? You see what I'm saying? It's a difficult situation for a customer to be in. Introducing our trailer extended service contracts, what they can do for you and your dealership is, number one, it solves that problem. These extended service contracts are designed to protect the unit from electrical, mechanical, and hydraulic failures for up to 5 years throughout the ownership of the customer. What's in it for you? Well, this represents an opportunity for you as a dealership to make an additional $300 to $500 or more per sale. So if you're interested in knowing more about these extended service contracts, fill out the form or comment below, and my team will reach out to you. The cool thing about working with us is that we teach you exactly what they are, we teach you exactly how they work, how to sell them, and we train your dealership exactly what to do so you can make more money on every sale. Because as we know, right now, margins are going down and competition is going up. So reach out to us. It won't cost you a dime, but it could mean everything to your dealership's bottom line.